Hello, my students. First, I will introduce myself to you. I am the new physics teacher, Muhammad Bahar, and truly we will spend this year together, and of course, it will be a perfect year. First of all, you must know what you will take this year. This year, you will learn two units in physics. The first one is the mechanics, and the second one, which is the electromagnetism. The first part, which is mechanics, will include four lessons. The first one, which is motion of a particle in a plane, and this lesson talks about the motion in general, about the acceleration and the speed and the position, and about the relation between them, and it's very simple one. The second lesson, which is Newton's second law, it talks about the three laws of Newton's, and we will talk about each one. And these laws are used in many experiments in daily life. The third one, which is rotational dynamics, and the last one in this unit, which is work and energy. And this lesson is very important because it is related directly to grade 12. The second part, which is electromagnetism, will include the three lessons: capacitors, magnetic field created by an electric current, and electromagnetic force. And this unit is very important for our daily life, and it is a combination between electricity and magnetism. We will revise now some important lessons from grade 10, which is rectilinear motion. The objective of this lecture is definition of rectilinear uniform motion, characteristics of rectilinear motion, and the equation of motion and graphs. First, we will talk about the definition of rectilinear motion, and you must deduce its definition and characteristics. As we see in this GIF, we are seeing a car moving on a straight line path. And there is very important thing, which is the car is traveling the same distance in the same interval of time. It's traveling 5 meters in 1 second. So we conclude that when the object is moving from position to another position in same duration and its trajectory is straight, then this is the rectilinear uniform motion. The characteristics of this motion is that the speed of this point remains constant and its acceleration is null. Therefore, we conclude that a moving point is said to be a rectilinear uniform motion if its trajectory is straight and travel in equal distance and equal duration. This slide we will explain the equation of motion. As we deduced in the previous slides that this motion the speed of this motion remains constant while the acceleration is zero, and only the position is varying with time. So, in the uniform rectilinear motion, the speed remains constant with respect to time, while the acceleration is not. So, there is only the position varies with respect to time. It has an equation called time equation. It is written as x equal vt plus x0. And this equation we will should memorize it very well. And the x0 is the initial position and its SI unit is meter. V is the constant speed of the moving point and the unit is meter per second while t is the time and the SI unit is second. Now we will talk about the graphs of this motion. In this slide, we will draw the graph of x. X is the position, and of course, the position will vary with respect to time. As we move from position to another one, the distance traveled with respect to time will increase logically, and this is what the curve has shown to me. It is a straight line with a positive slope. So we deduce that The distance traveled by any particle during its motion will surely increase with respect to time, so the graph of x will be straight line with positive slope. In this slide, we will draw the curve of the speed, and as we deduced from previous slide, that the speed in this motion remains constant, and this is what the graph has shown to me. The graph in this slide shows that the speed in this motion is a straight line parallel to the x-axis, which is the time. Thank you for